Leadership should never be viewed as a place of power. It's a role of tremendous responsibility. I was been in meetings the last few weeks, and there's this contentious point about, oh, do we need a leader, or can we, kind of report to ourselves? My opinion is, if there's not a leader, no one leads. It's often the case now. What does that leader look like? Do they have this figurehead? Do they have a special title? Do they have this or that? I don't necessarily think so. It's the person that takes on the role of service. It's the role of responsibility, saying, hey, whatever we do, I'll put it on my shoulders to make sure we either get there or we don't. I'll be the one to be ultimately accountable, because someone has to be. And that's really the role of the leader, to be ultimately accountable. Where we've gotten in trouble in our society is when no one wants to be accountable. They just start pointing fingers. See, that's not leadership. Leadership's not a place of power. Leadership is a role of tremendous responsibility. Responsibility that the organization, the group, the mission is accomplished. Sometimes it's not glamorous. It's not sexy. It's not, a fame-driven position. But the leaders, I'll go back to Jim Collins, the level 5 leaders, they're not looking at it for that. They're looking at something so much bigger. Leadership is broken because too often people try to get into position of leadership for the power instead of understanding, I need to see it as a responsibility.